So let me guess. You are a human who wants to take his or her first step towards changing their life. You scroll up on a feed on Instagram and TikTok for long hours, and now you are fed up of this mentality and unhealthy life. And you want to change yourself. The problem is you don't know how and where you could start. For me, my first step was building a better mindset and better habits. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video on this channel. It's me Shivan Patel, and in today's video, I am going to reveal the 7 productive hacks to change your habits and build a better mentality. So grab a pen and paper and do not skip any part of this video. Let's roll the video. Every morning is a chance to set ourselves up for a success. How we spend those first crucial hours can truly impact our productivity, our mindset, and overall well-being of the day. And that's what our first hack is: morning routine optimization. Now, what does it mean by optimizing morning routine? It simply means creating a sequence of activities that nourishes your mind, your body, and your spirit. Optimizing a well morning depends on three major core: your mind, your body, and nourishment. Now, firstly, for better mental beginning, you can prefer meditation, deep breathing, exercises, or simply a moment of quick reflections. And for better body beginning, you can prefer physical activities such as going for a quick jog, hard workout, or going for a brisk walk around the neighborhood. And at last, refreshing nourishment. Now, breakfast is indeed the most important meal of the day. Choose the food that provides sustained energy and supports your health goals. By optimizing your morning routine, you are not just going through the motions, you are intentionally shaping the life you want to live. And that's what our morning optimization helps us to build a better beginning of the day. In a fast paced world, taking a movement, practice gratitude can make a lot of difference in your life. And that's our next hack: gratitude practice. Each day, write down three things you are thankful for. It could be a simple sunshine or kind words from your friend. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform your outlook on life. Embrace it daily and watch as it fill your heart with joy and happiness. Moving to our third hack, which is similar to the previous one, journalizing. Now, journalizing isn't just putting a pen on the paper. It's a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. At its core, journalizing is about capturing your thoughts, feelings, and experience in a tangible way. Whether it's the stream of consciousness, gratitude list, or goal settings, journalizing allows you to explore your innermost thoughts and emotions. It's a safe space to express yourself fully without judgment and limitations. Make journalizing your daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. Whether you are navigating challenges, celebrating success, or simply documenting the beauty of every day, journalizing can be the transformative practice. So grab your journal and let your thoughts freely flow. You never know what you might know about yourself. Alright, after generalizing and making to-do list, people will surely mess up the list cause of the weak ordering power. And therefore, our next hack is prioritization, which will help you sort your to-do list and identify what truly matters. Ask yourself, what will have the biggest impact, and write down those tasks accordingly to your priority list. Once you have identified priorities, focus on your energy on tackling them first. And remember, it's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right thing at the right time. So, next time you are feeling overwhelmed, remember to prioritize your tasks and you have got this. So, you have had a good and energetic morning, and also you have set your task for the complete day. So, you have had your energetic morning, and also you have set your task for your complete day. And now comes the main hacks for double focus while working. And here comes the first step before starting a 10 on 10 work. And the hack is single tasking. Now tell me, do you find yourself multitasking, but feeling like you are not going anywhere? If yes, this hack is for you. Single tasking means giving your full attention to one task at a time instead of splitting your focus into different tasks. Now, when you perform a single task, you are more focused, effective, and produce higher quality work. You'll find that you will complete the task faster with fewer errors. So, next time you are tempted to multitask, remember the power of single tasking. Your productive and peace of mind will thank you. Now you are all set for work, but you procrastinate and you can't focus completely while working. And our next hack will help us from the bad habits, which is Pomodoro method. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that breaks your work into intervals, typically a 25-minute long, and separated by some short breaks in between. During each Pomodoro sessions, you focus on a single task and giving it your complete attention. Once the timer rings, you take a short break to rest and recharge. These frequent breaks will help you prevent those burnouts and maintain productivity levels. Now you are all set for the top notch productivity. But in this modern tech world, getting distracted is so easy, and our final hack will help us from these distractions. Our last hack is DTD law, or distract your distractions. Now, you won't find this anywhere because this hack is, and I have personally made this hack. So I hope this hack helps you distract your distractions. So, yeah, human brains simply forgets about most of the stuffs when you get completely lost in something. So if you want to quit your bad habits, you can simply get lost in good dopamine. Let me explain. But if you get attracted towards those con videos, or you can just simply go out for a walk or play some sports or something, and there are a really great chances that your brain will forget that what you were thinking about an hour ago. Now, this hack is temporary, but if you keep doing it whenever you get attracted to bad dopamine, you'll surely get out of that attraction someday. And that's how this hack works. Distract your brain from bad dopamines while doing a good dopamine. So, all right, this were the 7 hacks for productivity that will carry you year 2025 and more decades every day. If you still have any doubts, or if you want video on a specific content, comment below. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't yet. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, grind hard and bye bye.